These two are... Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something very exciting to show you. It is the loot boxes from Sumlilthings. I think that due to certain events that have happened recently, Sumlilthings have decided to do a huge warehouse sale of some sorts. So they had 3 different types of loot boxes. This one, which is Pastel Dreams, and they also had a Foodie Fun box. And the last one was adventure themed, so I didn't really think that I needed all 3 of them, so I picked these 2 out specifically. And in those 3 boxes is just a combination of all the themes they've done in the past consolidated into more general themes. So first I'm going to open up the Pastel Dreams box because that is the one I'm most excited about. And inside for each box had 2 different tiers. There's a smaller one that cost $50 and it would have a value of $100, and then the larger one, which is the one I got, costs $100, but it's supposed to be worth $200. First thing I see are their wax melts, and I've gotten these before, so I'm familiar with how they look. I don't know if you can see very well, but it looks like little chocolate bar pieces that have been broken up. I like that color scheme a lot. We have this sticker kit, which I'll open up for you. So the sticker kit came with this card, which says this sticker kit was a previous subscription for Lil Moon Power, which is their take on Sailor Moon, I think, based on the characters I see on this card. But I don't think all of these vinyls are from that particular subscription theme. So we have this one. This one, Winnie the Pooh themed. This is BT21. These 2 are just Cherry Blossom Festival themed. And inside we have a bunch of other random stickers. These for Slim Sheet. I've done a video recently on all the different subscriptions that Sumlilthings offers, and I will link that up above. So this is from their mini vertical kit, and I'm not personally subscribed to it because I don't use a vertical planner, but I think that I really like this thing. And then it also came with 2 miscellaneous sticker sheets. Next in the box I see 2 of their acrylic items. So this first one is an acrylic pencil holder, which I've never gotten before. This is their acrylic washi tower, which I actually do have, and I'll show you. This is the assembled washi tower. I got it for Black Friday. This giant keychain that features a Chi-Chi, I think. We have this pin. We have this sticky note set, which is of cakes, and it's really cute. These 2 paper pads, I recognize these from the subscription that I got, is a lanyard. These are all of the washi tapes that were included in the box. I really like that I haven't gotten a lot of these. A lot of these are ones that I've never seen before. I really like this landscape one. It's like them in historical Japan. I have this little clipboard. This is one of their file folders. I thought I'd never seen this before. I first saw this pattern for the Coffee Monsters Go, where there's 2 pockets and then there's 2 additional pockets in front. You can also get it from Sumlilthings apparently. Lastly, I have this A5 journal from them. I'm gonna open it up to see if it's dotted or lined. So this is the cover, all of the Sailor Senshi, and on the edge of the notebook paper they also have their symbol. And I'm happy to say that the inside is dotted. So that was the Pastel Dreams box. Now we're going to move on to the Foodie Fun loot box. Foodie Fun loot box came like this. I don't know why they couldn't fit everything into one box. So the first thing I see is this pencil pouch, which is part of their honeybee collection, I guess. And then I see this little packet of stickers. We got some familiar die cuts. I think I saw this one before. They also gave us some new ones. I have this bee one, ramen. This one's super cute. And then shaved ice and some candy. Like the other set, we have their thinner sticker sheets, and these are some more of the sticker sheets. I think these are some decorative stickers that go along with the vertical kit. I like that they do include another full vertical kit in this box, but they also included some random sheets from other collections. Now I'm going to show you what's inside the bigger box. So the first thing I see on top is this thing, and I don't know what it is. There's no label or anything on it. So I'm going to ask someone from the Facebook group if they know what it is. Got a charm and a keychain. Got a coaster from a previous collection because they also gave a coaster for their Starbucks subscription. I got this bookmark and this iron-on patch. Got another keychain that says I'm exquisite, and it's their play on Gudetama. These are the washi, the fruit-themed washis, and I really like the spam ones. They're really cute. I have 2 notepads. This one has lines on it, and this one doesn't. Got another clipboard, and finally I have a mini notebook with food items on it, and inside is dotted. So that is everything that I got from the Sumlilthings loot boxes. I definitely prefer the Pastel Dreams one because it's just more my vibe, but I am glad that I got both of them because I think it was a really good variety of items and themes, and I'm glad that both boxes didn't exactly have the same items. Like, we didn't get any wax melts for the food theme one, and we didn't get the same type of notebook for both boxes. So if they ever have any future loot box sales in the future, I would definitely recommend you pick one up for yourself. I hope that this video was informative and entertaining, and nothing in this video is sponsored. I bought it with my own money because I love mystery boxes. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and I upload videos most Fridays, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!